Welcome to our world. If you're a real estate agent grappling with a shortage of leads, today's spotlight is on harnessing digital marketing strategies. Our done-for-you service is designed to exponentially boost your lead generation efforts on autopilot, providing sustainable growth both now and in the future. We put AI to work for you, no experience needed at all.
Watch this whole video to gain access to our 6 free ebooks and more.
Want to know how to convert leads into clients with a personalized marketing approach without struggling with inconsistent lead quality and client engagement? Question: when it comes to real estate and Zillow agents, what do you think is the biggest challenge folks have? One of the biggest challenges people have with real estate and Zillow agents is standing out in a saturated market and making a lasting impression on potential clients. Why is this such a challenge? It's because so many people make this big mistake, neglecting the power of personal branding and not utilizing innovative marketing tools. Why should you care? You should care because branding gets leads. Are you ready to transform your online presence and create lasting relationships with your prospects, friends, and past clients? Are you an ambitious real estate agent looking to amplify your marketing strategy and client reach? Perfect. Feel free to press pause on this video and read out through this agent testimonial. Let's make this easy. Here are 3 tips to help you be able to elevate your real estate brand with a unique personal touch. We offer 6 ebooks for free for your consultations to enhance your marketing. This is important because it provides an innovative marketing tool that helps establish your expertise and credibility with your sphere of influence. You'll benefit from this most if you're a real estate agent looking to differentiate yourself in a competitive market and build lasting relationships. Now, you should be ready to schedule your free 1-hour consultation today. In it, we'll discuss how to customize your ebook to reflect your unique brand and appeal to your target market through click-through pages. Use a custom ebook to nurture while expanding your sphere of influence. Are you an ambitious real estate agent eager to leverage innovative marketing strategies and stand out from the competition? Now pay close attention. This is important because it positions you as an authority in your field, enhancing trust and engagement among potential clients. The next thing you should consider is to sign up for your free 1-hour consultation, where we will guide you through personalizing and effectively using your ebook to captivate your target audience. Establish a strong social media presence to showcase your ebook. This is important because it extends your reach and enhances engagement, providing more opportunities to connect with potential clients. This will help you significantly if you are a proactive real estate agent looking to capitalize on digital platforms to market your expertise effectively. Your next step is to regularly post valuable content from your ebook and interact with followers to build a community around your brand. Now you understand some of the top real estate agent and Zillow agent tips. There's no reason to keep struggling with inconsistent lead quality and client engagement. You'll get instant access to everything you need to automate your lead generation after booking your onboarding call. Are you ready to elevate your real estate brand with a unique personal touch? Revolutionize your business today with a personal touch that sets you apart. For a free Zoom consultation and to learn how to get your ebooks customized. Face it, you need to be the go-to real estate agent everyone talks about. Take the first step with a free strategy session. Envision yourself 5 years from now. Will you be looking back with satisfaction or regret? What can you do with your app? Ask us about your ebook delivery app. As a real estate professional, your future prosperity may hinge on depending on your choices today. This is your wake-up call. Grab your 6 free ebooks before they are gone at this zero-cost price. Our 6 free ebooks are your map to more leads and a flourishing career, but they won't be free for long. Thanks for hanging in there. Yes, you get 6 ebooks, but did you notice the images of all those who preceded you in this presentation? It's because they visited the link below. How beautiful their personalized ebooks were all dressed up to build their brand. They are creating and growing their lead origination based on the power of providing their next prospect with ebooks related to client needs. Respond to where a prospect is coming from. Get 10x more leads. We'll create a custom cover, your own custom designed book cover, your name on the cover, custom title, custom subtitle, custom spine, your associated broker name logo, and your profile image. Embrace the urgency. Act now and avoid the sting of lost tomorrow. Click that link below. See you on the inside. Remember, branding gets leads. Copy this URL now, tinyurl.com/XR for realtors. Your journey to becoming a standout agent begins here.